Welcome to another version of Repops installation instructions. This is Vince, I'm Gary.
And today we're going to install a sound deadener kit in a 65 Impala Convertible. A CP114 Repops kit.
The first thing we'll do is tear the interior of the car out, pull the seats, pull the carpet, then we'll do the installation on the sound deadening.
And we're going to show you some helpful hints and tips. Hopefully the professionals as well as the do-it-yourself guys will get something from this video. Thanks for watching.
Okay, we've got the seats out, got the carpet out. We still have to come in here and clean up the jute, get it out, and then we should be ready to install.
Then we can install our new stuff and
Yeah.
be ready to go and show you how the Repops sound deadener kit goes in our 65 Impala Convertible.
Okay, we have the kit laid out on the floor. You want to make sure that you get it laid out where it's flat and let it stay that way for a bit.
Yeah, you can put it out in the sun because it'll be rolled up in a box, and the longer it sits around, you need to let it get comfortable in the car. So you got, if you have to, you can use a heat gun too if it's in the wintertime. You don't have any sun. And also the material's going to vary, right, Gary?
Exactly. We have two different suppliers of the material. It's the same dimensions, the same specifications. They work very, very well.
So if it's a different color than what you see here or something, don't worry about it. Just make sure shiny side goes down in the floorboard of the car. Clean the floor real good after you get all your seats and stuff out, and get you a vacuum cleaner. And you can put this right on the bare metal, although it's better if your car's got some primer or something on the floor before you put this stuff in.
Okay, now that we have all the insulation out, we have these laid in there so you can see how they go. The first thing you want to do is determine whether you have a console car, a shifter in the floor, or the shifter on the column. If it's on the column with a bench seat, you don't have to do any cutting. If it's on the floor, then you'll have to fold this down, and then you'll have to cut a place in here wherever the location of your shifter is. On the second piece is also for a bucket seat car. So if your car has bucket seats, you'll have to cut places in this sheet to get around your bucket seat mounts. If you have a bench seat, it'll fit in with no cutting at all. And the same thing with this middle piece. It has a brace for your console. You'll have to cut it into this piece, and you'll be good to go.
Okay, so we're going to show you how to cut the holes for your console mount in the sound deadener, and then we're going to come back and do the ones for the bucket seats and on and on. So what I'm doing here is I can feel that bracket right there, so we're just going to make a little mark here and a little mark there, and then we'll go over here and mark it out and cut it out. Okay, so I'm going to take my straight edge and mark this piece on my little chalk lines, and we're going to be good to go. Now this stuff is not rocket science, guys, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Just get it as tight as you can. And what I'm going to do is just cut a little slit with a knife, and then come back with my upholstery scissors. Stuff cuts pretty easy as long as you got a good sharp knife or a good sharp pair of scissors. Okay, let's go see how I did. Okay, it goes right about there. It just rolls over there real nice, and then you got your console bracket exposed. So we're just going to repeat the same procedure for the seat mounts as well as the shifter. Okay, so that pretty much sums up the installation of the Sound Deadener in the 65 Chevy Convertible. What do you think, Gary?
Well, I want you to know that glue is actually an optional thing when you put this stuff down. It really depends on if you're using molded carpet or if you're just using flat carpet. If you're using molded, it's usually molded just exactly like this, and there's really not any use of putting glue down. If you're using just a flat piece of carpet off of a roll, then you might want to put a small amount of glue, but you don't need very much glue on this. This stuff holds really well.
Yeah, the heat will make it take its own shape, and it'll relax and fit your car just right, and it'll last for many years. Thanks for watching the Repop installation video.
Be sure and watch for more videos to come.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.